There's to the ball and toast me on another year of hope, another year of holding on for you drinkers by day, poor bastards by dawn, and I hope I will see you soon, and I'll be home come hell or high water, and I know I will see you soon. Gather round, friends and neighbors who make your living by labor, and share with me this little time that we have left to have a drink and catch our breath. Well, it might just be what saves our lives, and I hope I will see you soon, and I'll be home come hell or